Alright guys, welcome to this today fantastic tutorial. So I'm going to show you on how to write a script, easy way to write a script with just a clip using this AI. It's called app.copy.ai. So it's a fantastic website. So what you just have to do is to type the website on your dashboard here. Okay, then launch it in. So although I personally used to all these important websites, I used to add it to my website, to my own screen. I use it to add it to my own screen, so you can just add it to your own screen so that you not be wasting time. Okay, so I'm going to start from the scratch with this website now. So I'm going to I'm already in with the website. So it's used to give, I think it should be 14 days trial with each email. Don't worry, you can have a way to bypass it by just gathering email, which I'm going to show you here on how it work. So now let's get started with it. So I'm trying to okay, so I want to log out from this. I want to log out from here so that we can start from the scratch. So you can see free trial on my email here. So then I can sign out. Alright, good. So yes, so what you just have to do is to sign in with your email here. So just click here, or you can click here, then type your email. Okay, whatever the email you want to type it in. Okay, then continue. So you need to continue with it. Okay, so you have to go to your email. So once you go to your, alright, this is the mail sent to me, so you'll be asked to verify. So click on the mail. So click on the mail link. It will take you to the magic.com, which is the copy.ai. So immediately it will change to copy.ai. Go. So after asking you some of your questions, so you just need to go on by clicking on new projects. Okay, it will ask you for your project details. So what you just have to do is to type your project. Let me say project title. Okay, let's say whiteboard animation. Okay, or whatsoever the business you want to use the whiteboard to do, you can just type it in, or you want to use any video ads to do, or whatsoever ad you want to do, you can just type the project in. I'm just using the whiteboard animation as an example. Relevant website, you can type your website in if you have. Now I'm just going to type any website. Let me use just that website. Then create project. Then it will ask you for the descriptions of the project. Then just go, what is your project called, optional, like what is it called. You can just say that, let me still use the whiteboard animation. So you need to identify your project. Since you are the owner of the project, you should be able to identify. You describe your project. You can just say, whiteboard animation. Whiteboard animation is another one. Let me just say as a fixture of being easy to use. It's it's lead to many engaging. Alright, good. So you can just type your project somewhere at your phone book, then just copy and paste here. So what you now have to do is to create a copy. So look at the magic, the copy will are created down here. Let's look at the magic that these things are done. Okay, you can see whiteboard animation, whiteboard also known as dry easy. So you can just easily tweak it, because sometimes some sentence might not be correct. You can just correct it. For whiteboard animation has a features of being easy to use and it leads to many engagement. Whiteboard can be used many artists like designer, marketer, business owner, and more. You can see within a short period of time we are able to drive in a very cool script on very cool script for our video. So what you just have to do is to copy, then go to your book, or at this place you can just click on the text, then change some fixture there. You get, so you can just change some fixture there. So that's how to write your script. The best thing is that you should know how to describe your script very well. Once you are able to describe your script very well, then you can just go ahead with your video script. So one of the way you can describe your script very well is to search on your product description. If you don't know about your product division, about your business, make sure you search on it, how it's being described, what can it do for others, what is the benefits. Then just put it in there, then the title. That's all. This fucking the whiteboard animation, I mean this AI will just craft everything out for you. Then you just have to check it. Then it's a free trial. Then after some time it will expire, maybe 14 days or close to a month, I don't know, because I haven't checked it. So what you just have to do is just to use another email, or you can kindly pay for them and have a features of the subscription, but you can also use another email for it, you get. So that's it on this video, how to do a short video script, how to get a video script. That is it on this video on how to get a video script or any advert script that you might like to get for your next project. So that is it. Make sure you hit the subscription button to get more